Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got some exciting news about ChatGPT and the latest updates in the world of AI. OpenAI has been dropping some serious upgrades recently, and we're going to break them all down. Plus, we'll take a look at some new competition in the AI space that you definitely need to know about. Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about what's new with ChatGPT. OpenAI has been hard at work improving their flagship language model, and the latest version is seriously impressive. We're talking about things like better accuracy, faster response times, and a whole bunch of new features that make ChatGPT even more powerful than before. One of the biggest upgrades is the improved natural language processing. Basically, this means ChatGPT is now even better at understanding what you mean, even when you don't say it perfectly. It can pick up on nuances in language, recognize sarcasm, and even understand your intent behind a question. And speaking of questions, ChatGPT can now answer them in even more detail than before. It can access and process information from the real world through Google search and keep its responses consistent with search results. But it's not just about text anymore. OpenAI has also added some cool new multimedia features to ChatGPT. Now you can incorporate images into your prompts and get even more creative with your interactions. These are just a few of the highlights, and we'll dive deeper into each of these features throughout the video. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Now let's talk about something that's got the whole tech world buzzing: the rise of free and open source AI models, particularly from China. We've seen a surge in the development of these models, and they're quickly catching up to the big players like ChatGPT. What's interesting about these Chinese AI models is that they're often available for free or at a significantly lower cost. This is a game changer because it makes AI technology accessible to a much wider audience. We're talking about developers, researchers, and even everyday users who can now experiment with AI and explore its potential. This open-source approach to AI development is really exciting because it fosters collaboration and innovation. With more people working on these models, we can expect to see even faster progress in the field of AI. Of course, there are also some challenges that come with this open-source model. One concern is the potential for misuse, especially when it comes to things like misinformation and bias. It's important to have ethical guidelines and regulations in place to ensure that these AI models are used responsibly. But overall, the rise of free and open-source AI models is a positive development that has the potential to democratize AI and make it accessible to everyone. One of the most impressive things about ChatGPT and AI language models in general is their ability to understand and process human language. But the latest updates take this to a whole new level. We're talking about a deeper understanding of context, nuance, and even emotion in text. Remember how I mentioned earlier that ChatGPT can now understand your intent better? Well, this is a big part of it. The model has been trained on a massive dataset of text and code, allowing it to recognize patterns and relationships in language that were previously impossible for machines to grasp. This improved language understanding has some really interesting implications. For one, it means that ChatGPT can now generate even more human-like text. We're talking about everything from writing creative stories and poems to composing emails and translating languages with incredible accuracy. But it goes beyond just generating text. This deeper understanding of language allows ChatGPT to engage in more meaningful conversations. It can follow along with complex arguments, understand jokes and sarcasm, and even provide insightful responses that are tailored to your specific needs. It's like having a conversation with a real person, except this person has access to an incredible amount of information and can process it at lightning speed. Now, let's talk about how these ChatGPT updates are changing the game for businesses. And trust me, this is something that every entrepreneur, marketer, and business owner needs to be paying attention to. One of the most obvious applications of ChatGPT is in customer service. Imagine having an AI-powered chatbot that can handle customer inquiries 24/7, providing instant support and resolving issues quickly and efficiently. This frees up your human agents to focus on more complex tasks while ensuring that your customers always feel heard and valued. But ChatGPT can do so much more than just answer questions. It can also be used to create engaging content, generate marketing copy that converts, and even personalize the customer experience at scale. Imagine using ChatGPT to analyze customer data and then automatically generate personalized recommendations, targeted ads, or even customized email campaigns. This level of personalization was once only possible for large corporations with massive budgets, but now it's within reach for businesses of all sizes. And let's not forget about the productivity gains. ChatGPT can automate repetitive tasks such as scheduling appointments, managing emails, and even writing reports, freeing up your team to focus on more strategic initiatives. One of the things that people love about ChatGPT is its ease of use. But with the latest updates, OpenAI has taken this to a whole new level. The user interface has been completely redesigned with a focus on simplicity and intuitiveness. Gone are the days of clunky menus and confusing options. The new ChatGPT interface is clean, modern, and incredibly user-friendly. Even if you're completely new to AI, you'll be able to jump right in and start using it like a pro. Navigating through different features is a breeze, and the layout is designed to help you find what you're looking for quickly and easily. Plus, the new interface is fully responsive, so you can use it seamlessly on your desktop, laptop, tablet, or smartphone. But it's not just about aesthetics. The new interface also includes a bunch of new features that make using ChatGPT even more efficient. For example, you can now organize your conversations into folders, making it easy to keep track of different projects or topics. You can also customize your ChatGPT experience with different themes and color palettes. Whether you prefer a light and airy look or a dark and moody vibe, you can personalize the interface to match your style. Another exciting development with ChatGPT is its growing integration with other platforms and services. This means you can now access the power of ChatGPT from within the apps and tools you already use every day. For example, ChatGPT is now integrated with popular messaging platforms like Slack and Microsoft Teams. This means you can get instant answers to your questions, generate creative content, and even automate tasks right from your team chat. But it goes beyond just messaging apps. ChatGPT is also being integrated into productivity tools like Google Workspace and Microsoft Office. Imagine being able to use ChatGPT to write emails, create presentations, or even generate reports directly within your favorite Office suite. And for developers, OpenAI has released a powerful API that allows you to integrate ChatGPT into your own applications. This opens up a whole world of possibilities for creating innovative new products and services powered by AI. This integration with other platforms is a game changer because it makes ChatGPT even more accessible and versatile. It's no longer just a standalone tool, but a powerful engine that can enhance your workflow across all your devices and applications. So, we've covered a lot of ground today, but the story of ChatGPT and AI is far from over. In fact, this is just the beginning. The field of artificial intelligence is constantly evolving, and we can expect to see even more exciting developments in the near future. One area where we can expect to see significant progress is in the realm of personalized AI. Imagine a world where your AI assistant knows you so well that it can anticipate your needs, make recommendations tailored to your preferences, and even help you achieve your goals more effectively. We can also expect to see AI play an even bigger role in our lives, from healthcare and education to transportation and entertainment. AI-powered tools and services have the potential to revolutionize these industries, making them more efficient, accessible, and personalized. But with all these advancements, it's important to remember the ethical implications of AI. As AI becomes more powerful, we need to ensure that it's used responsibly and for the benefit of all. The future of AI is full of possibilities, and it's an exciting time to be following this rapidly evolving field. That's all for today's video. If you found this information helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more updates on the latest in AI and technology. The world of AI is constantly evolving, and we're here to keep you ahead of the curve. We'll be back soon with more in-depth looks at the latest AI trends and how they're shaping our world. See you next time.